Okay, so what I'm going to discuss in today's session, let me open the notepad. Okay, let me start with my introduction. My name is Ram. I have nearly 14 plus years of IT experience. In this 14 plus years of experience, I've been working for SQL Server and Power BI and Azure Data Engineering and Microsoft Fabric. There are so many things I have been working from last 14 years. And also, I have nearly 8 plus years of IT trainings and placement experience we have. In this 8 plus years of experience, most of the time we were working for the data engineering part actually. So we had a lot of placements and many people we have placed over there as well. Uh, just hold on, it's not opening the notepad. Okay, so most of the people who joined this demo session, like mostly they were already working in IT and they want to upskill their knowledge into the data engineering part. That is one category. The second category is they are working in non-IT. Now they want to upskill their knowledge into the IT over here. That is the second category. The third category is the people having some career gap. So these are the another kind of category people. So all these kind of category people definitely once they have completed this course, they are going to applying for the jobs like a experienced person. Am I right? Or you guys are going to apply for the experienced, right? Definitely, you will keep 2 to 5 years of experience on this Azure Data Engineering course over here. First, let's try to understand about this Azure Data Engineering course. To understand very clearly about this Azure Data Engineering, generally in the IT industry, we have three primary clouds available. One is about Amazon AWS, the next one is about the Google GCP, and the next one is the Microsoft Azure cloud environments we have. So out of these three, Microsoft Azure is very popular cloud environment. Inside this Microsoft Azure, we are going to implement the data engineering projects. So what is a data engineering? Let's take one use case scenario. I have a supermarket in India and I have another supermarket in USA. When a customer is coming to the supermarket and is buying the products, then that data will go and store in the backend database over here. Whatever the transactions data we have, that transactions data will come and store in the backend database. Similarly, we have a supermarket. Under this supermarket, we have another database over here. So we are going to these two databases we are going to store in the backend. We are going to do the ETL process. First, as a data engineer, you need to consolidate the business data from this server from this server. These are the two databases we have. These two databases data we are going to store in the backend storage systems. So how can you move this data by using a ETL process? Extraction, transformation and loading of the data over here. So by using this extraction, transformation, loading, the ETL process, we are going to store the data inside the storage. Okay. So from this storage, again we are going to load the data into a data warehousing over here. Again we are going to load the data into data warehousing. When you are moving the data from the storage to the data warehousing, that time we are going to apply some cleaning, processing and transformation techniques. So to move the data from this database into the storage services, we are using the Data Factory. Data Factory is a ETL tool currently in the market in the Microsoft Azure cloud environment to perform the data pipelines to move the data from multiple places into single place. From this storage, again we are going to load the data into a data warehousing. Here to do the cleaning, processing and transformation, we are going to use the Databricks notebooks. There we are going to write down Python, PySpark and SQL, these kind of commands. We are going to perform it over here. Let me open this one. Yeah. So out of this, like whatever the data we are processing into the data warehousing, that data we are going to use, that data we are going to use inside the Power BI to design the reports and dashboards by using a data analyzer. By using a data analyzer. So we are using the reports and dashboards, and we are going to visualizing of the data over here by using a Power BI. So what are all the tools we are using? Data Factory for data pipelines. It's a zero coding. Databricks. Inside the Databricks, we are going to write down SQL and PySpark. And also, I'm going to discussing about live streaming analytics, like how to stream the data in a live. And also, we are going to discussing about some storage services like a storage account and the storage account with the data lake into Blob storage, Azure SQL database, and Synapse data warehousing analytics. And also in this course, I'm going to discussing about Azure, some administration activities, Git repository, and Azure DevOps, CI/CD pipelines, and Power BI reports over here. So these are all the services we are going to work over here. The storage services and ETL services, whichever we have over here. ETL services and storage services over here. Okay. So then after, if you see, nowadays we are hearing more on the Microsoft Fabric. What is a Microsoft Fabric? You are using Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform. Let me log into this Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform, portal.azure.com. So inside your login and you are able to see all the software services which you have to design your projects. Like if you want Data Factory, so you can see there is a Data Factory service. Correct? This is the Data Factory service. So those software services we are using for Microsoft Azure, and for Power BI purpose we have www.app.powerbi.com. Now Microsoft, what it is doing, whatever the data engineering related softwares we have, Data Factory, Databricks, Synapse, Storage, Azure SQL database, all those software services, we are going to keep inside this Microsoft Fabric also. All those software services we are going to use inside the Microsoft Power BI also. Now we are calling it as a Microsoft Fabric. So what you need to learn now? Do I need to learn this Microsoft Azure Data Engineering, or do I need to learn Microsoft Fabric? This is the $1,000,000 question from the many students. You need to learn everything. That's the reason I'm going to teach this Microsoft Azure Data Engineering. You need to learn. If you are learning Microsoft Azure Data Engineering, Microsoft Fabric 90% you have completed. 90% you have completed. So you have to learn thoroughly Azure Data Engineering, and you need to get idea about the Microsoft Fabric, because it's 99% similar kind of thing over here. It's 99%. It's a similar kind of thing over here. I hope you understand, everyone. So in this course, first I will teach completely data engineering part, Microsoft Azure, and then after same kind of services, softwares, how we are going to use in the Microsoft Fabric along with the Power BI, I will explain. So once you are completing this Azure Data Engineering course, you will understand this Fabric, Azure Data Engineering, and Power BI. All the things you are able to understand it over here. So you can apply for the jobs also. Okay. And another thing is, ideally in any training institution, if you go, there is like only one training program will be available. But we are going to give two programs. In the training program, what we are doing, generally it's a regular training, 50 hours, live sessions Monday to Friday, daily class recording, sample resumes, certification, daily class notes, and interview question and answers, end-to-end project. So these are all the things we are going to use it over here. Okay, it's a 50 hours program, a live session Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour, daily class recording videos, sample resume certification, daily class notes, interview question and answers, end-to-end live project. We are going to apply it over here. This is a common regular training program everywhere, but what we are special, we are conducting another program. After 2 weeks, every Saturday, Sunday, we are going to conduct this program. It's a real-time program, placement assistance program over here. So this program is in a agile methodology. It's going to be a agile methodology. Um, for there are like a few sprints with the tasks we are going to conduct. Weekly sprints we are running. You have to work on all these tasks. We will help you if you're not able to perform any of the tasks. This is going to be like a agile methodology, and we are going to conduct one end-to-end project also over here. Okay, one end-to-end project also we are going to conduct for you over here. And interview question and answers preparation also we are going to like how to you can perform like how to answer like a project flow, what are the challenges you are facing in your project, these kind of questions they might ask. And also we are helping you to prepare the resume as well. And also we are going to conduct some mock interviews as well. We are going to conduct some mock interviews also over here. So these are all the things we were going to discuss in the as a part of the program. It's going to be 30 to 40 hours Saturday Sunday, and regular training is on the Monday to Friday we are going to conduct. The student whoever is completed these two programs, 100% they were getting a confidence to work on the projects and cracking their interviews themselves without taking any proxy calls or without taking any kind of work supports over here. Got it? So for the people who are joining this course, we are going to provide free of cost SQL and Python also. Free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. Okay? And we are going to offer for every student LMS portal access. Inside you can able to get a comfortable learning management system. Inside you can see your course and content and recording videos and everything you can able to get it over here. Okay, so this course we are going to having a DP 700 certification. Earlier it was a DP 203, but currently it is not available. Once you are completing this course, you have to perform this DP 700 certification. It's a combination of Azure Data Engineering plus Microsoft Fabric. It's a combination of Azure Data Engineering plus Microsoft Fabric over here. Okay, it's a combination of these two things. All right. So generally the data engineer, what he will do, a data engineer is going to be processing of the data from the business servers, from the business servers and consolidating the data into one place. That data you will move to data warehousing. That data we are going to use to design the reports and dashboards. In this course I'm going to teach you this reports and dashboards by using data analysis as well. Here the CTL process to consolidate the data I will use Data Factory. For cleaning and processing purpose we are using Databricks over here. We are using Databricks over here. Okay, and also you can able to watch our YouTube channel which contains so many videos over here. Like there are so many videos we have. You can able to see my YouTube channel also. And I have written 3 books actually on this Azure Data Engineering so far. So those 3 books also already published in the market. Let me share this uh, my YouTube channel link also. I'm requesting all of you please subscribe this channel as well. Okay. So this overall Azure Data Engineering course is very high demand in the market, and many people were asking, sir, which one I need to learn? Azure Data Engineer, Microsoft Fabric. You need to learn everything. I'm going to teach you everything here, like primary focus on Azure Data Engineering, then after Fabric, like how it looks, the same options where you can find out inside the Microsoft Fabric. I'm going to teach you. Then you don't need to separately learn Microsoft Fabric over here. You don't need to learn separately Microsoft Fabric over here. Okay, and so these 2 programs we are conducting, regular traditional training program and placement program as well. This 2 is the combination of one course actually. So if you want to enroll for the Azure Data Engineering, that means you need to complete these 2 programs. Then only you will get a good idea about this course. What is the advantage of this course? 2 programs is you can able to crack your interviews yourself. You can able to crack your interviews yourself, and also you have a real-time projects over here. Real-time project over here, and you have like a 2 to 5 years of experience. Positions you can able to apply after completion of this course over here. 2 to 5 years of experience positions you can able to apply. Clear? So the next session will be so today is 2nd June, right? So we are going to start the regular sessions from the 4th June onwards. The timings and everything our team will be uh, tell you. Please touch with on this with this number. She will help you on everything whatever you are looking for this course and everything. Okay. So this is all about this Azure Data Engineering course. Now you guys have any questions about this course, or if you are not able to understand anything, you can speak out and you can ask any kind of questions. I will answer to all of you. Go ahead the questions.
Hi Ram, this is Ram Kumar.
Go ahead, Ramkumar.
Sorry, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I was into storage and backup admin, that is physical data centers. So I
Okay.
used to work. I have total 10 years of experience in that.
Hmm.
So just I want to cross my skills and learn new technology and go through this like a cloud perspective. So
Hmm.
how can I? I mean, just I show. I saw that. I mean, this was storage like data engineering, right? So I thought it was something it was relevant to mine. So
See,
can you
one thing I
please
will say,
correlate?
if you guys are trying to find out relevancy, then there is no job
Mm,
actually. Because see, IT currently is more flexible. A lot of transformation is happening. Forget about your background and what you have experienced. And if you're trying to find out something related to that, that means like, see, already what you are working, it's like it's not in a good job, a good market. That's the reason you are trying to find out something else. See, be ready anything to take, whether it is relevant to your profile or not. As per the market
No,
standard, what is the real boom, which tool, which service, then go ahead with that one. As per my
no,
knowledge, because of
actually,
the
my question is not that. My
hmm,
question is not exact that one. So
yeah.
just want to ask like, so this is not. I know that it was not relevant to my storage thing. So, but since I was an 10 years experience guy,
Hmm,
so even a fresher also can learn the same, right?
yes.
So freshers can take immediately. They can have the more opportunities.
Hmm.
So the person who is looking, the organization which is looking for my career, like. I have 10 years, right? How can the interviews, will, like, whether I can crack it or not, if, since I have 10 years
100%.
experience.
See, in our course, out of 100, 90 people are more than 10 years experience people only learning this course.
Okay,
More than 10 years experience people only.
okay, fine. That is only my small
Yeah,
concern, like,
yeah,
because everyone will learn this course, right?
yes.
So since I was joining and learning now, so
Hmm.
whether I can crack it or not, even if
You will,
I can
you
get
will.
3 years experience on this, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
So our
Thanks.
training level also like it will be reachable to up to 4 years of experience, guy.
Okay. Because I'm completely, I don't have any knowledge on SQL or Python on this.
Okay,
So
okay.
because I wasn't completely on Python, I mean support side.
All right. Hmm.
So now I'm coming to this thing. So Python and SQL, everything was completely new for me.
Okay.
So just I want to check this out.
Yeah. Any more questions from others, guys?
Hi Ram, Veera
Hi.
here.
Yeah, go ahead, Veera.
So yeah, so you mentioned you will also be discussing Power BI, right? So to what level of depth is that Power BI? Is it
Here
just
I'm
a
just
basic
like
thing?
a basic level only. I will teach it.
Okay, okay. Actually, I'm coming from AWS data engineering, so I'm
Oh,
just
okay.
wanted to have a hybrid mode of working. So that's what I'm
Okay. Got it.
looking for this.
Hmm. Next, from any question from others?
Hi Ram, Pamadi
Hi.
here.
Yeah, go ahead, Pamdi.
Yeah, I'm a data stage developer currently.
Oh, ETL developer. Okay.
ETL developer, and I want to understand why we need to learn Python. It's already we have the SQLs, right? So to retrieve the data, or, so
See,
you can use the SQL
comparing
queries,
to
right?
SQL, Python is more powerful. Lot of libraries are there. Do you find any
Okay,
libraries in the SQL? SQL is very small thing. Python is a vast
okay.
subject to do the data analysis, data cleaning, ML models, data science. You can do anything with Python.
So means for end to end, we need to learn Python
No,
itself,
no,
is
no,
it?
no. There is a data engineering related few things are there. We can that only we can learn.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Thank.
Right, right.
Yeah, hi Ram. This is also Ram.
Yeah,
Actually, I don't have any experience, but I have career gap of five
yeah,
years.
yeah.
Still, can I get the level of 5 years?
100%.
And I will.
Not 5 years,
So
4 years. 4 years of experience you can mention after this completion of the course.
okay.
Any more questions from others?
Hi Ram.
Hi.
How much coding involved in this data engineer?
See, nowadays coding is not a big deal because of the AI. Code is automatically generating over here. See, only 10% we are writing either SQL or PySpark. I'm going to teach you complete PySpark in this course from basic to advanced level. So don't worry about the commands what we are writing. It's a very small thing. Okay.
Oh,
Ram, I saw that the course work classes conducting on from 11, I mean 11 to 12 p.m. right every day.
Morning. That our
So
team
at
will
what time? The
that,
timings?
that our team will let you know what timings we want to take the sessions.
Yeah, because I was into rotational shifts and
Okay.
just want to check which is feasibility. But
Okay.
some like institutes are like for Saturday Sunday also providing classes, and
No,
some and
actually,
we
we
have
are Monday to
Monday
Friday.
to
We are
Friday
taking the
also we
live.
have.
Yeah,
So only one class per day, or like you are morning and evening two
one
shift
one
also
class
you
only.
taking.
One class only per day, 1 hour.
Only one class
Yeah,
per day, 1 hour you are telling, right?
yeah.
So just I want to check that because I'm into rotation shifts.
Understood.
So just I want to check about that. Okay, I will check with the number you given, right? Some Ramya,
Yes.
someone.
Yeah, Ramya. You guys can speak with her about anything.
So,
Hey, hey, Ram, this is Anshuman.
Anshuman, hi.
Uh, so, like right now, also, like I'm working in a data engineering thing field, but like right now, I'm working in a Snowflake and AWS, and wanted to go in a Azure, like as you said, like Azure is in high demand.
Yeah.
Okay, so the only concern I have is like the timing thing.
Hmm.
Okay, because like
Timing we
as I've
haven't
been.
finalized actually. Our team will finalize by
Uh,
tomorrow the timings. From day after tomorrow, our
uh,
regular sessions will be start.
Okay, because like I've been told, the timing is I think at 8 p.m. I guess. Okay,
Hmm.
so like that is not the right time for me because mostly I'll be on a meeting.
Yeah,
Okay.
understood. So we will try to
Uh,
put these sessions on the morning sessions. Okay. We'll let you know by
yeah,
tomorrow.
so I was looking for 9 in the morning or 10 in the morning.
Okay.
Okay. And there's one more thing, like this. So we'll be getting like whatever we'll be getting the recording of the lecture
Yeah,
as
yeah,
well.
yeah. Every day once the class complete, you will receive a recording automatically.
And like how long will be the
3 years free.
we can, huh?
3 years.
Sorry.
Three.
Okay, for 3 years we can access this.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Any more questions from others? Go ahead, Deepika.
Yes. So if it is in the morning, what slot are we
I
going to?
cannot say now. In few, like your morning, our team will reach out. Okay.
Mhm. Okay. Evening there is no chance, is it? Like after 7.
We'll see. We'll see. Okay, give me some
Okay.
time. We will try to accommodate some hours.
Mm.
Reach out this number for any queries about the sessions timing 7997457228. Okay, she will inform you the timings of the sessions. But we are going to start from day after tomorrow the regular sessions.
Okay. Thank you.
Any more questions from anyone, guys? Okay, right. Thank you, guys. Let's meet on the day after tomorrow. Thank you.